Got ITA in an Express Entry profile? If yes, then this video is for you. After getting an ITA, you have to submit various documents like passport, police clearance certificate, proof of funds, and proof of work experience. Out of these, work experience documents from your employer are the crucial one. In this video, I will tell you exactly how to prepare your work experience letters for the Express Entry, exact format for reference letter, and other additional documents to make sure that your application has the highest possible chance of being accepted. Hey guys, I am Manpreet from Immigration Talks Canada, and I regularly update videos about Canada immigration. If you want to know more about Canada permanent residency processes, then please subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Alright, when you need a work reference letter for Express Entry. Express Entry My Immigration to Canada is a two-step process. The first one is to create an Express Entry profile, and the second one is to receive an invitation to apply. First, candidate must prepare and submit an Express Entry profile. Eligible candidates are accepted into the Express Entry pool of candidates. Second, the most competitive candidates in the pool based on their score under the comprehensive ranking system receive an invitation to apply in an Express Entry draw. Candidates have 90 days from the date they receive their ITA to submit complete electronic application for permanent residency. The work reference letter is only required as a part of the final application for permanent residence. So you don't need the letter in order to submit your initial Express Entry profile. However, if you expect to receive an ITA, it is a smart decision to try to get your work reference letter for Express Entry ahead of time. By this way, you will be able to have it. Now, here it is an important tip. For your previous jobs, the date the reference letter was issued simply has to be after your last date of employment. So you can collect these letters far in advance and don't have to worry about an expiry date. What information needs to be included in your Express Entry work reference letter? Information that must be included: your name, dates when you were employed, number of hours worked per week, name of your position, duties and responsibilities for your position, and these must match with the duties and responsibilities listed in the NOC code you have selected to describe the work experience in your Express Entry profile. And the last one is annual salary plus benefits. If you work multiple positions for the same company, you may submit a single letter, but it must include all of the above information for each position you held. The immigration officer will want to see the dates you had each position, as well as any changes to the name of your position, your duties, and your salary. So please note it carefully. In addition to this, all work reference letters for Express Entry should be printed on the official company letterhead with the contact information for the company like address, phone number, email. The letter should include the name, title, and signature of your immediate supervisor or personnel officer at the company. Here I have shared the letterhead of some random company. And if you want a complete reference letter, then please send your email ID in the comment box. I will send you 3 or 4 copies of reference letters which were actually used by some of my friends in their Express Entry profiles and they got PR. Here you can attach the additional documents which would increase the process, fasten the process. The first one is payslip, the second is tax form, income tax return, salary bank account statement, increment letter, appointment letter, company ID card. Here I have shared the source of information where you can get more information about the work experience letter. It is the Canada's official website link. If you find this video informative, then please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for such type of videos on the Canada immigration.